In the third part of the presentation series on the Sensorimotor and Cognitive Profile test, we introduce the initial steps of using the test. The test's main page provides a brief overview of the key information regarding registration, login, generation of access codes, completing tasks, and viewing results. The option to select or switch languages is always available. Before the first login, users who wish to conduct assessments must register. During registration, they must decide in what capacity they intend to conduct assessments. The parent option is for familiarization with the test and performing individual assessments. Professional users can conduct both individual and group assessments. Test subjects do not need to register. They can log into the system using an access code and password generated by the examining user. This process will be explained later. During registration, the examining user completes a profile form. Afterward, they can log into the system using the email address and password provided during registration. To ensure anonymity, examinees complete assessments without registration, using a generated access code and password. The logged-in examining user can register test subjects, examinees, by generating access codes for them. It is recommended to assign group codes to organize subjects into groups or classes, as this allows the results of a specific group or class to be downloaded separately in XLS or CSV format. Each access code is paired with a unique password. The system also sends these access codes and passwords to the registered user's email address. The examining user is responsible for safeguarding the access codes and passwords. A test subject can complete the assessment using the provided code and password. The examining user also wishes to complete the test, they must generate a code for themselves. During login, they must decide whether they want to take the test by entering a previously generated access code and password or log in as an examiner using their registered email and password. On the test subjects page, it is possible to proceed directly to test completion on behalf of individual test subjects. This may be necessary for young children, while older children can log in independently using their generated access code and password. If needed, the examining user can change the password associated with any generated access code or delete previously registered test subjects. This page also allows the examining user to view test subjects' results in a detailed, point-based breakdown, as well as in statistical representations and pie charts. When viewing results, it is possible to specify which time periods test results should be downloaded. It is also advisable to select the age-related reference values against which the results should be compared. On the individual results page, the score and completion time for each task are displayed. Scrolling down on the results page, a pie chart compares the individual's performance with the reference average. This visual representation provides a comprehensive overview of the individual's sensorimotor and cognitive profile. This sample chart visualizes a young child's performance on the sensorimotor tasks. The pie chart shows that the child exceeds the reference values in all aspects of sensorimotor development. Further down the page, the individual's results are displayed in relation to the reference values. In the statistical visualization, the green zone represents the area of average results, which includes the reference mean plus or minus 1 standard deviation. The yellow zone includes results that deviate by 1 standard deviation above or below the average, while the red zone indicates results that deviate by at least 2 standard deviations from the average. Results can be downloaded in the file format selected by the registered user. It is possible to specify which individual's data from which time periods should be included in the download. This allows test results to be utilized in various ways.